We now take you to the east coast of Australia, where a major power plant is also a large user of the Flexibore system. We will briefly show another method of installing a pump. This time a crane only is used without a roller. The experienced crew at Loy Yang Power has secured the electrical power cable to the Flexibore in the same manner as previously shown. The riser is clamped firmly, and in this case the large crane is able to grip 30 meters of hose per cycle. The pump motor is primed prior to lowering it into the bore. The hose is lowered in 30-meter sections. The clamps come to rest on a removable table. The second clamp is attached 30 meters further along, and the next section is ready to be installed. Note again that no steel safety cable is used with this system. The Flexibore gets its strength from the high tenacity weaving process. This method of using the crane without the roller has enabled the 110 meter of 4-inch Flexibore to be installed in less than 2 hours.